cutting edge of manufacturing industry, the vital first step towards producing an almost infinite variety of items without which our modern world simply couldn't operate. Until you think about it, this might seem one of the first steps in the manufacturing process, and in a way it is. But choosing the right machinery to give you your own cutting edge is really the vital first stage to getting it right. Through their machinery division, Emhart Corporation are one of the world leaders in the field, although you'll probably know them best as Samco Strong in the UK and USM in the rest of the world. The business is big and international. Through Emhart, Samco and USM are specialists in the production of press-cutting machinery and systems, and they design and build their high-precision presses at 3 centres: at Beverley on the east coast of the United States, at Frankfurt in western Germany, and at Samco Strong at Leicester in England. And if anybody thinks that press-cutting machinery is something that only heavy industry uses, well, I think a sample of the products cut on Samco presses will almost certainly change their mind. And it's not just the end results which are wide and varied. The range of materials is pretty far-reaching too. Everything from leathers, vinyls and fabrics to tougher customers such as chip and hardboard. Customers too come in all shapes and sizes. Samco presses help keep some of the world's biggest companies in operation, giants such as Ford, General Motors and 3Ms. But there's no need to be that size to put a Samco Strong press to good use. Indeed, most of the company's customers employ 25 people or less. Small companies right now, but with the flexibility to meet market demands and give them real growth potential. So, big or small, Samco and USM aim to meet that demand. The range of presses made by Samco and USM makes sure that there's a press-cutting system that's right for every individual firm. And that means single swing beam presses right through to complete work feed systems incorporating presses of around the 200-ton mark. All the presses are hydraulic and they've been specially designed to allow add-on options without extra machining costs, and that's been achieved by maximizing common parts throughout the range. To be specific, this is the GSB-3 swing beam press, available in a range of 4 sizes and 2 different tonnages. It's the very latest addition to the smaller end of the company's range. Among its many pluses, simplified controls which eliminate operator error and a lightweight aluminium beam for easy, effortless swing. There are plenty of variations possible on the Series 70 press. It's available with a real variety of work feed systems, and it's highly productive, even in its simple manual form. This particular Series 70 is fitted with an incremental feed, and as you see it, it's cutting soft top luggage. Still with Samco USM variations, travelling head presses are ideal for manually placed dies and fast repetitive cutting of small to medium-sized components. They can take a full width of material from the roll or sheet, be it a natural skin, plastic or textile. At the top end of the range are the Series 120 and 200 presses. These machines can be supplied with cutting pressures of 120 to 250 tons, and a full range of work feeds can be fitted to deal with sheet or roll materials right through to this major unit recently installed at an automotive plant in Europe. But of course, all these machines don't just appear by magic. A vital part of the Samco operation is their highly skilled design team, who themselves work with the very latest modern technical aids. The object is cost-effective, high-quality engineering. The method is high-technology, computer-controlled machine tools allied with modern assembly methods. The care and concern that goes into meeting companies' special needs is backed up with the best modern methods to the benefit of the whole operation. And at the end of the day, that can only be a real help to the customer. does the company maintain its policy of meeting individual needs when it has customers ranging from General Motors to companies with less than 25 people? The answer is to be found here in the Samco customizing operation. The objective is to make sure that the finished product is just what the customer ordered and that it exactly fits his specifications. Emhart Machinery Group has its own die-making plant at Samco Strong in Leicester. So it's here a huge variety of cutting dies are made to suit as big a range of products. And that, like everything else here, has come about thanks to a mix of application technology, the most modern manufacturing techniques, and long-established craftsmanship. Die making is still very much a craft industry, with each order a one-off made to the precise measurements of a customer's template. Spare parts are usually something customers take a keen interest in. So take a look at the advice and service available worldwide from your local Emhart Machinery Group company. The Emhart Corporation has more than just a flag flying on all 5 continents. So it's not just a question of this press, that press, or the other press. Samco Strong and USM offer big company investment in developing the very latest technology, allied with attention to individual needs, no matter how big or small the operation. The company's philosophy is that manufacturers want a complete cutting system, and that's just what Samco Strong and USM deliver.